Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. In the last video, we explored what Power BI is and why it matters. And today, we'll diving into the core components that make up the Power BI, and these are desktop, service, and mobile. So guys, I'm a Power BI learner from Empathy Technologies. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's dive through the today's content of the video. So first is overview of the components: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile, Workflow, and teaser for the next video. Alright, so Power BI is not just a single tool, it's a suite of tools that work together that help analyze, visualize data, and these are the three components. And what are these? Power BI Desktop, Power BI Services, and Power BI Mobile. Now let's get into it. So let's have a closer look of each. So first we'll start with the Power BI Desktop. So as it is written, let's this is a free window application where build a report. We can also connect it to the data sources. We can clean it, data transform, and create the relationships. And after that, we'll design the visuals all in one place. And the best part is, think of it as it is a lab. So this is basically a lab, data lab. Next, we have the Power BI Services. So basically, this is a cloud-based platform where we publish and share our reports, and it allows for the collaborations. We can also schedule the refreshes, and we can create the dashboards. Apart from that, we can access it from our browser, so that means we do not need any installation. Alright, so next is we have the Power BI Mobile, and this is the best part. Why it is the best part? Because this app lets us view and interact with the reports on the go, whether we are in a meeting or we are commuting. Our data is always on our fingertips. That's why it is very useful. So we do not require any of the laptop, any of the sitting area. We can just have a look on our phone only. Alright, so let's understand the workflow of it. So workflow is very easy. First, we have to build the desktop. We have to build our dashboard on the desktop. Then we publish to the services, and we can access through the mobile, and that's it. Easy. Very good. So now this was a quick overview of the Power BI's core components. And in the next video, we'll install Power BI Desktop and take a first look inside the tool. And last but not the least, as always, empathy isn't just in our name, it's in every insight we deliver. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next video.